Well, essentially we're a remote vehicle diagnostics company, which in this particular police context, what we're doing is capturing CAN data from the vehicle and driver profiling data so that an operational team or a driver training team can build up a picture of how the vehicle and the driver are performing out on the road. Now, in essence, the reason for that is even at Chief Constable level, under the duty of care legislation, they are responsible for knowing how their drivers are performing. So what we're giving is a complete operational picture related to where the vehicles are, what their operational status is, blue lights on, blue lights off, siren on, siren off, where, when, for how long, etc. So that either in real time or subsequent to the event, this data can be drilled into to build up an accurate picture of how a fleet, a sub-fleet or individual vehicles and in fact drivers are performing. In essence, we have a simple plug-and-play system which connects to the OBD port, which then analyses the CAN data from the CAN bus, that's effectively the electronics that are whizzing around a vehicle at any one time. That's then transmitted out and configured into reports which can then be accessed via the web for looking at particular aspects of a fleet or driver performance. I suppose if you were to say what's the bottom line and why is it so effective, it's because it's able to reduce costs in a quite dramatic way. I mean, we had a statistic produced by an operational police fleet last year at NAPFAM which said that since the implementation of the Airmax system, their accident rate on police vehicles has dropped by 34%. So if you combine that with the fact that they're able to highlight specific aspects of driving, such as over-revving or long idling, if you combine that into a complete picture, it has dramatically reduced operating costs and accident costs within fleets.